Calsri एक LTR. By species, dairy cattle and buffalo. By therapeutic segments, nutritional feed supplements. Liquid supplement of ingredients. Calcium, phosphorus, vitamin D3 and B12 Satavari and jivanti for animal feeding. Direction for use, cattle and buffalo, 100 ml daily, calves, 20 ml twice daily. Nutrient in Calsri liquid help in improving milk yield in cattle buffalo. Formulation of strong bones in growing animals. Improving calcium deficiency. It increases milk output and fat percentage. It helps for the formation of strong bones in growing animals.